What's up? What is up? What is up, everybody? Jacob, man, what's going on, bro? How you doing? All right, cool. So, let me see something. Yo, what's up? What's up? By the way, guys, make sure you guys like this video. I'm actually trying to figure this out right now. All right, cool. Jeez. Woo. All right, man. So going live and direct right now. Today, all I'm focusing on is GJ and oil, of course. Those are like my only pairs that I care for. So yeah, man, y'all. So as you guys see here, I was actually looking at GJ for a possibly liquidity phase. We might have a possible liquidity phase going on with GJ. To be true with you, it kind of already did this whole play, but I still see some opportunity with GJ. Just waiting to see what it really wants to do, though. Yeah, I don't know what we doing with GJ right now. Like, it's so fucking ugly and choppy. I have no idea what this thing wants to do. Not even gonna lie to y'all. By the way, guys, I'm using Trading Locker to trade. For those that know what it is, like I said before, it is basically trading view just for like regulated brokers, I guess, or unregulated brokers, I guess you can say. And I'm using Ospreyfx as my broker to trade it. Man, Trade Locker is coming. It's coming up with a lot of cool features. I just can't wait for all of those features to be out, so I can like do way more than what I want to, what I'm actually saying. But you know, time will come though, y'all. Time will come for that. We had all the news actually that had happened. It had happened earlier, so that's good to know. Also, 8:30. I'm kind of waiting to see what NASDAQ and oil wants. I mean, NASDAQ or US30 wants to do. But damn, I'm already looking, and I see that it is moving. Yeah, for sure. I need everybody here to go ahead and like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Man, GJ is like a blub blub right now. It's so ugly. One moment it shows strong sells, another moment it shows strong buys. It's just super ugly right now. All right, hold on, let me see something. Yeah, there was news earlier at 8:30. I think 8:30 my time. There was some news. But yeah, that ain't that's long gone now. We see that joint dropped crazy. I know NASDAQ don't want to give pullback, so I don't know what we can expect. Hopefully at 8:30 though, in about 15 more minutes, hopefully it actually pulls, and then maybe that might be the opportunity for me. But right now, nah. But we definitely do have a market shift for sure. Just need to see what the hell it needs to do from here. It's crazy though how we got that crazy drop. Same thing with US30. Hopefully once again I can get a pullback on this one so I can clamp in some trades. But yeah, we got another thing to be cautious of, which is this low right here. I am like, damn, bro, I'm tired. Jesus. You said I need to pay if I sing on Ospreyfx. Say that again. And that's that we blowing through it. 30, we kind of not really blowing through it. There are brokers that need to pay monthly. I ain't never heard of that. Ospreyfx.
Dressed in all black and we cozy. Can't say you low, you gotta show me. I ain't with my guys, then I'm dolly. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my gist, bitch. Ain't no vibe like this, don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my gist, bitch. I'm in a cut with my homies, I'm in a cut with my homies. Show no love to the
So the spreads, they're very low depending on what type of pairs you trade or asset, because they got mini lots too. So, and we've been dropping. I just would love my pullback.
Setting up shop, I got a plan, is you ready or not? Puffing this plant, rising my stock, forcing my hand, they moving wide. Don't gotta scam, don't gotta hop. I turn styles, screw it and chop. Shout out big bro, he call me Ock, keeping it safe, we got it on lock. This is a whole mood like O2. I told Missy to work.
Yo, what's going on? How you feeling, brother?
She get busy for certain. This is a whole mood like O2. I told Missy to work. She got that soul full, I'm so full. She get busy for certain. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my gist, bitch. Ain't no vibe like this, don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my gist, bitch. I'm in a cut with my homies, I'm in a cut with my homies.
Yo, I've been trying to tell you guys that I want to start bringing some of y'all on my live streams with me. So if you one of those traders and you haven't already, join the Discord and then hit me up through Discord.
Kicking in doors, you know we don't knock. She wanna dance, do a TikTok. She making a move, she making a drop. We set the mood, pull up and eat all your food. Ooh, ooh, ooh. How can we lose? Blessings keep coming in twos. Hey, you do or you don't.
All y'all gotta do is just hit me up on Discord. Only Discord though. Don't hit me up on Instagram saying you wanna do it. You gotta be on the Discord channel, which is actually pinned in the chat room. Mike's, what's going on? So if y'all really wanna be in, definitely just do that. All right, so like I'm thinking about this trade right now. If I can get that nice engulfing candle or something to tell me that this strong, we could see that upwards move. But then the other problem is we got a liquidity phase in the making possibly, so we could head up and then head down and then possibly get right back up. Because I said on a 5-minute, I had set this area right here as an interest area for reversal, possible reversal. Just because that's really where the POI level is at in the extreme level. So kind of want to see what it does, but I believe that could definitely happen. But obviously I want to see it happen first before I should just get in it. Oil's doing okay right now. Women buddy like it's been that. When I fuck me looking at the bill stack off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Niggas laced up. I really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff. Only need it from you. Yeah. Crash land in the palm of my hand. That little flex wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch. I'm way up. It's litty wherever we float. I came from the cold. Used to rest on the floor. I stitch up my wounds. Was born a soldier. Flipping the struggle. I'm taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild. Alright, cool. Trip, yeah. Life is slid, take a breath. It's it. Now it's wild. This shit a trip. Life is litty, you shit a gift. Bitch, I'm him. I don't really lack nothing. Trip blackfish, hit the splash button. Niggas landlocked, too bad for him. Oil's moving really slow right now. I feel like it's gonna actually pick its pace up in a little bit. What time is it? It's 8:20. Man, I got this fire video I'm dropping tomorrow, man. So stay tuned for that. I'm actually talking about how I use ICT like ICT point of views and my type of style. Like I said this before, and I said it again. Oh, I don't know if I said it on here, but ICT did opened up a lot for me as far as like just how I look at the market. He definitely did do a lot, but the problem with his teaching is he will be in a video for an hour, but what you really need to know is probably be 10 minutes of the video. So I did a video of like a modified, which is actually a lot of you guys didn't know, but my 3-man standing strategy comes from like a little smart money, little ICT, Elliott wave, Fibonacci, structure, and price action. And that's what I've been studying from day one since I started trading. Like I actually been doing way more Elliott wave trading than anything, and then I got introduced into different ways, different points of views of how to look at the market. And from that, that's where I kind of created my whole liquidity phase, 3-man standing concept or strategy, Fibonacci, and that's kind of currently how I trade right now. Like a lot of you guys know this already, but I actually only like trading oil during New York session at a specific time. I like to wait on around 9 to 9:30 Eastern time. So about right now, this is when I would like to start to see a setup or get in the setup, because this is the time where you should be able to have a clean setup. But it doesn't always happen every day. That's the same strategy that he does with the silver bullet in a way with different pairs. So what I'm getting at is I like to focus on different time frames and also different time sessions or sessions in general for specific pairs, because that's how I know how they move. This is kind of what I talk and preach every single time to everybody here. I talk about why it's so important to know what you're trading so you become good at it. You know, like if you only focus on gold and you know exactly how it moves, when it moves, then you can become a professional trader just for gold. But when you dipping into other different things and you trying that strategy for something else and you realize it doesn't work, you start to change your whole style now and your whole trading strategy because it didn't work for that pair, but you knew it worked for the other pair. So you're trying to adapt that strategy and that style with that specific asset, knowing that it doesn't always knowing that it won't always work with every single pair or asset you trade, right? You might have to change your style. You might have to change your strategy up a little bit for different assets. That's just because they move differently. If they were all to move the same, then obviously it should work. But you guys know, if you want to see and understand how can you adapt one style to every style, it literally will have to move all identical. So if you know gold is super strong going up right now, you got to find another pair that's just as identical, either up or down. It can't be something choppy like this, otherwise your style is going to be different. So you really got to understand your style and you got to understand your strategy. That's probably the most important thing for any new trader coming in trading, is you got to adapt. First, you got to know who you are. It's kind of crazy because it's kind of just like how it is in life. Like you got to, like, a lot of people still don't know who they are, what they want in life, right? But it's the exact same concept in trading. It's like you starting kindergarten all over again. Like you be in your 40s, 50s, you already graduated from college. Hell, you might be a professor, you might be a teacher, whatever. But it's like you got to reset yourself up from the beginning when you get into trading, because when trading it's like I said, it's a different world, but it's the same thing. It's just you got to start fresh. You got to first know who you are as a trader, not a person, but as a trader. And then you got to adapt to that. So if you are maybe like you don't have as much patience, but you're very disciplined, and maybe your schedule is pretty open than others, then you got to figure out a way to find a pair, for one, that works around your schedule. And then you got to master that style for that pair. So your style could be, I'm a scalper, I like to get in and out of trades. So you got to find you a pair or an asset that best fits that style for you. And then you got to master your strategy based off your style and that pair. And then boom, now you just figured out how to basically really come through for your style pair and your strategy. So that's pretty much how this whole concept of becoming a consistent trader works. What just happened?
They talking like they don't know a king when they see one. See him in person, he take it back like a refund.
I had to double check something.
Brothers, all my niggas playing D1. Daily checking chicken, he gon' spin it watching reruns. Niggas say they real, but they clones of me. How my cousin in the pen with more phones than me. I got daily correspondence, we tapping in with the Goonies. Tagging my body, they tagging me like they knew me.
Yeah, we doing crazy breakouts right now on on 30 and NASDAQ, which is perfect.
Been addicted to Stussy and blunts, hitting like roofies. I ain't tripping off you cause I've been tripping off Lucy. I'm lucid dreaming and scheming, I'm manifesting a movie. Manuscript in a million, I thought that you niggas knew me. Focusing on the Fetty, the longevity, lifestyle, build a future me, what I'm usually doing right now. Smoking with my shawty, we plotting another 100 grand. Hear them talk a lot, but they knowin' who got the upper hand. Ride about my sister, I'm dying about my brother, man.
Hey, I appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, you gotta get those likes up for sure. At 9:30, what charts do you look at? I mean, I look at all these charts right here. I look at all of these charts right here.
Hear them talk a lot, but they knowin' who got the upper hand.
Yeah, I am.
Currency from Europe, my energy from from the motherland. Niggas tweet a lot, we never seen them in the city though. Taking rent money out to flash it in the video. Staring at the real niggas when they know it hurt, man. Coop clean, Glock 30, dirty as your work hands. I just got a pallet of product, I'm about to flip it. I don't really got all the minutes for me to kick it. Bought my chick a LLC, we bout to scale it. Partner say he growing some weed, I told him mail it. Coolin' with my man, he kinda mama.
It's moving slow, but yeah, it's moving. GJ's still consolidating.
Black man live. I got more rolls on me than a fat man ribs. Never met a single nigga that'll make me feel fear. They be throwing salt in the game, we still here. We don't hear the shit that he's saying, he think it means something. All the players ballin', we blue chippin', we green thumbin'. Smoking with my shawty, we plotting another 100 grand. Hear them talk a lot, but they knowin' who got the upper hand. Ride about my sister, I'm dying about my brother, man. Leaning out the window, we got him doing the running man.
US30 and NASDAQ are so clean. This is all I'm waiting on. Let me put this in the screen so I can see.
I can do this with my eyes closed.
See, where's the 5-minute pullback? We could pull. Well, seeing that this right here is possibly a level of interest, really all it is. This one is a little tricky. NASDAQ, we got this level right here. We also got all of this up here, but I don't think it's gonna go that far back.
Like Adidas, you get cold when you ride with the heater. It'll turn you to a dog like a keto, and expose to a cat like a cheetah. They smoke my partner like reefer. Dímelo porque o no entiendo, mi gente must really need Jesus. He shed real blood, I never seen the crypt and I believe it. It's too easy, too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy, it's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. Don't live it. And just took that route that scene.
Let me see.
So outspoken like reason. Jimmy Neutron boy, young G's. And I'm a self-made man out of Sweden.
Yeah, so the reason why I'm doing NASDAQ now is because I'm actually approaching it completely different. So this is kind of what I was just preaching earlier about. You got to know your pair, know your style, and know your strategy. So with NASDAQ, I'm just actually like, you know what? Let me approach it differently, because when I was back testing NASDAQ, I actually have to, the way that I enter is completely different on how I would enter on US oil, even US30. So I'm just in GJ. So I'm just trying to approach it differently to see. Let me see, what is, okay.
Go and try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain, please don't start us up, got that black and white, that yin and yang, Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing,
Good morning. What's going on, gas fees? How you feeling? Okay, so it's that time, but I don't see nothing moving right now. Of course, except for NASDAQ. Let's see though. We got time. We got almost down 12 more minutes before this candle close. Hey, I appreciate that, man. Hit that like button for me, bro, and definitely go ahead and share this if you can. Patience is everything. That's what I want to get, man. I need to get me some motivational signs in my room, man, because yeah, it's that time, man. I need those. You know, keep the energy up. I definitely want to keep that energy up.
Keep a stash just in case they tryna flash. Never lag, we don't stop till the hours running back. I don't brag, I'm relaxed, I'm not in all that.
Fucking A.
It's really just a fam and my dogs. I just gotta make a call. I ain't in all that chatting, not at all, not at all. Yeah, put that on the squad. We been out here going hard. We on deck, please don't make 'em. Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up like the fireworks. I keep the flame. Heard you parking up. This the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. Where do I move in this world?
Yes, sir. We're moving up. We're moving up. We're moving up. I need that.
I'm so stupid. Would you tell me honestly if I wasn't meant to be what I see when I dream? Where do I move in this world? Could you please tell me what the hell I'm doing for? Bring me to my knees. I'm so stupid. Would you tell me honestly if I wasn't meant to be what I see when I dream? It's a big, big world out there. Plenty possibilities. All of them is killing me soft. I want the real me figured out right here, right now. Is this lifestyle the right style for me? Only with time will I see. But by then it'll be too late. Looking in the mirror at a stranger's face. If I wasn't right, would you tell me straight? Or would you let me? Where do I move in this world? Could you please tell me what the hell I'm doing for? Bring me to my knees. I'm so stupid. Would you tell me honestly if I wasn't meant to be what I see when I dream? Where do I move in this world? Could you please tell me what the hell I'm doing for? Bring me to my knees. I'm so stupid. Would you tell me honestly if I wasn't meant to be what I see when I dream? I want something great instead of all dismay, but I can't find my way. I fall on my face. I flatline my faith. I want all escape. Let's throw it all
So yeah,
away.
guys, we finally getting a move back.
For a couple of bucks in this big
This is a
bucket
strong
love.
candle.
Steady throwing my up, hoping for that 1 in 100. But stressing the numbers. Pop this deck in your summer and see the inner of my head declog like a plunge. Y'all be akin to my feces. Your best bet be the Bee Gees. The way you think living's
Jeez.
I got my head and my smile, but don't know where I'll fly. I'm just spreading my wings. I'm fine with taking my time. I used to rush it all out. I'm trying to slow it all down. Take my feet and lose ground. Give me somewhere to hang. I always want it right now. Trying to slow it all down. Take my mind and lose ground.
Hey, yeah, definitely going crazy. It's on rocket mode right now.
World, could you please tell me what the hell I'm doing for it? Bring me to my knees. I'm so stupid. Would you tell me honestly if I wasn't meant to be what I see when I dream?
It'd be crazy if somebody get in this right now based off the 15-minute. Don't wait on the closure of the candle and then that thing just go the other way. Woo! I seen 30 did that so many times. Hell, I think it did it yesterday. That's why I say closure of your candle is the most important thing. Like, seriously.
Watch it come back full circle. Knew this life was eternal when I hopped over hurdles. I so universal, you see me with my circle. Had to listen, man, listen. This thing right here wasn't given. I'm whipping this to precision. Before you talk, homie, listen. They love me for my ambition. Paper chase, palm itching. I brag different. The flow ignorant, got them hooked. They kept fishing. You popped off but play victim. Look how the plot be twisting. You lost flavor when you kept on mixing. That boy stayed icy with something that left you colorblind.
What NASDAQ doing?
I'm on a different time, yo. You better get your watch fixed before the top tick. I'm the one that they acknowledge. I move on quicker than flight mileage.
You know what's really getting me though for 30 right now is the fact that we did tap into this whole little liquidity right here. We did take a little, we swapped that out, and then this could be more of an upwards move too. But then when I go in the 5 minute, I see how aggressive it took the internal high out. So catching a pullback on this would be nice. But this one is actually kind of tricky too. So hopefully in this 5 minutes I'll have a better answer for myself to know what I want to do.
We don't need no rehearsals. Wifey instinct maternal. I know our kid gon' be verbal. They know our love is eternal. We'll keep on hopping these hurdles. Thank you, God, I'ma serve you. We don't even deserve you. Keep us from the internals. Grinding late, I'm nocturnal. Spitting fire infernal. You touching and it's gon' burn you. Driving now Myrtle with my doing burnouts. They know
yeah, because on the 4 hour we're kind of going up, but it's more consolidation.
That other shit you hear about don't concern us. You see the sound don't disturb us. These other is burgers is ice, so we came to turn up. Heard you, don't say nothing when I hit a curve. You sip my tea like it's herbal. Watch it come back full circle. Knew this life was eternal.
Are you talking about that wick up there? Yeah. This is just one big candle. I love it though. I do know once it goes this way, it's definitely gonna go up from there. So, shall see. You said check the link. What link? What link you talking about? Yeah, we finally moving with 30. I don't know what link you talking about. I'm not seeing no link. If you're talking about a link to your gold trade, I'm good. I don't trade gold. I don't even want to look at it. But congrats to you. It's crazy. I'm actually more interested in NASDAQ than gold. I mean, 30 right now.
I'm in the
2 more minutes left in this big ass candle. Damn, this candle took all of this out. Sheesh.
Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving. I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it with me. I be too turned up to ever give a fuck. I ain't come to argue, let a nigga fuck. They been talking pennies, I need bigger bucks.
I don't even know where I would take this trade, man. That's the crazy part with 30. I really don't know where I'd take this trade, where my stop loss would be. So big. You said NASDAQ is so sus right now. No, that's that US30. NASDAQ is actually decent. US30 is more sus. I mean, as a trader, I'm sure you can take this trade and maybe TP here, right? But 9 times out of 10, if you're taking this trade, you're probably not even really having an actual stop loss. You're just taking the trade because you see it's going up, which is cool. But as a trader, I like to really discipline myself and make sure I have full understanding of exactly where my stop loss is going to be and exactly where my TP is going to be. And if I was to be real honest with you guys, this is one big ass candle and it makes me nervous because I want my stop loss to be here, but yo, that's a little crazy. But yeah, this could be the first candle to actually boom up. We don't know, right? I'd rather be safe than sorry, so oh, that's probably that. I bet you that was the pullback. Oh, we finally hit TP1. Let me see if it actually took me out the trade.
You thinking the next hit, holding on to treasures, lusting after pleasures. I become addicted to this feeling under pressure. I get plenty loot these days, I swear I never let up. It's embedded in my genetics, like nice clothes and seeing what it
oh no, not yet.
When the lights low, I just get like light bulbs, attempted to right wrongs. I carry a light load, I travel the right roads. I see how the dice roll. I talk that they need to hear, tell it how I'm dealing with it. They been on that silly shit. I rap to pay the billies, bitch. Trying to see I'm really here. Out your flossing plenty big. I don't want no bust down wrist. I'd rather save my innocence. Miss when we were Kool-Aid sip. Cops outside the church and shit. Niggas out here in the field, they pull it off the hip and empty clip. I'm talking cryptic, telling me we brought a bigger crib. Pops is playing to be the scene on the bigger, better things. I'm in the classroom cutting up, acting like the bigger kids. My hood was really everything. The bros was more than tenants here. I was barely tenant shit. Couldn't kick a flip for shit. Sisters copped it within dip till niggas thought to steal that shit. See what we've been dealing with. Let's get broad as filthy here. Hate the fact that I wasn't surprised to hear when Chris got killed. Like I'm barely fitting things. Fuck about me fitting and keep you at a distance.
All right, well now, what was I talking about NASDAQ? Okay, so you know what, NASDAQ is a little sus right now, but because it always, man, these pullbacks always gives me with NASDAQ. Like I said, I'm really trying to perfect NASDAQ, but it's always the pullbacks. You know, the pullbacks be super little with NASDAQ, but then the moment you be like, oh, that is the pullback, it instantly will come further up and pull further, and it's just like, bro, what the hell? I'm gonna eye this one, man. I'm gonna closely eye this one. Yeah, you been loving it. It's just crazy though, because technically speaking, this is still an uptrend. Oh, I bet you it tried to fake me out. Yeah, this is still an uptrend. Because when I really look into the eyes of NASDAQ, when you look deep into the soul, think about it. Technically, we're still going up. Notice my major low is this right here. Yeah, we did break out of it, but it wasn't nothing too aggressive. This was the internal low, most recent low that we took. We took that out aggressively, but if this was to be more aggressive, kind of like how it happened here, right here, I would basically say, yeah, change the direction for sure on a bigger scale. But seeing that it is playing a little bit right here based off of these levels, kind of tells me more so that we could be going up, you know. So I think the upwards move would make way more sense. And get this is a good risk to reward too. TP1 easily right there. TP2, you can definitely catch it with a fib play. And TP3. All right, now I got my idea of entry. I just want to see what this candle would like to do. 15-minute. Patience is everything. I might have another entry. Let me move this left a little bit. Look at that. We got structure right here. Oh, I thought that was a wick. No, that's what is this? Yeah, but we got a high, major high, major high, major high. Makes sense. This looks promising to me. 10 more minutes in this candle. I just hope this candle isn't something like US30.
But I'm patient. I just want to see on your spaceship. Plus you done the earth and you never on some face. Didn't have to bill at the women didn't patient. Basic. We just take a time but you pace it. And you wonder one God ain't no copy paste. Felt too many times this is different we can make it. Love dripping good off of you. Let me taste it. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed.
Well, I'm so glad you trading NAS. I've been posting my NAS trades in the chat, trying to get people to see it's moving with more structure in the last 2 weeks. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Guys, if you in my chat, man, in the live stream, let's go ahead and get these likes up. I need all of you guys to show some love by liking the video. So go ahead and hit that like button, guys. Go ahead and hit that like button.
Trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. I'm obsessed. I'm like, yes, ain't no stress. You the best. Look, how you get so good at being modest, girl, be honest. You said you done trusting these niggas, made yourself a promise. I hate to make you take it back. I've been getting paid for rap, ain't talking about the drums.
Oh, look at that spike. I thought gotta get to TP2.
You intrigued with conversation. You be moving dolo follow, I'm intrigued and I'm in admiration. I can gas you up, but I don't think you need the validation. Still you looking good, natural without no operation. My old bit tell you, your old too. Younger me, he wanted street stripes, but they wasn't blue. Now I'm banking on the sweet life when I'm next to you, giving you the credit you deserve.
Patience is key, yeah.
You got better when you met me a minute. You said you done trusting, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them dead?
Guys, this is what I'm using. The app is available now, guys. Look, this is Trade Locker. This is the app right there, right next to TradingView. I actually replaced it with MT5. I had MT5. You know, I gotta have my favorites. These are my favorites: my call log, TradingView, Trade Locker, and my Discord. The app is officially out right now. So if you guys don't know anything about Trade Locker, basically, instead of me trading with TradingView, I take all my trades with Trade Locker, which is powered by TradingView, and it has all of the features just as TradingView. It's powered by TradingView, so it's crazy too because my pricing is completely different from what I'm seeing on here. But whatever I see on here is integrated through my actual broker, so I don't have to be like, oh, I need to do 10 pips away from my TP or 5 pips away from my TP. The cool thing is I can literally use my Fibonacci with no problem. I can use my drawn twos with no problem. I can use the long position, short position with no problems. I can drag my TP, drag my stop loss on Trade Locker. So it's really cool. Only thing that I'm literally waiting on is the app version to come out on the on the computer. And then 2, I'm waiting on them to add favorites because I'm tired of clicking or having to type in every other pair. But I don't trade a lot, which is cool. So, but for those that do, you know, it's not going to be the best. But they said that's coming out this month or next month. So I'm waiting on that. But the fact when I can add these as favorites, it's really game over. It's funny though. I take a lot more trades through my phone than through my computer. That's probably because I'm always on the go. But I do a lot of my markups on my computer though. It's super weird. All right, y'all see how it's retracing back. This is why it's so important to wait on the candle closure of the candle. Because anything is possible. So much better than MT5. Way better than MT5. MT5 is like outdated in my eyes. It's nowhere near user friendly. The interface sucks. It's just like so old school to me. And I know a lot of traders are still used to it, which is cool, but you know, I'm trying to adapt to Trade Locker 100% so I can just fully focus on this. Cause this is going to be like, come on guys, it's 2023. We're still using MT5. Get on with Trade Locker. Or it's 2023 and we're still using MT4. I hate MT4, man. I'm not gonna lie, when they came out with MT5, it was way better. The really thing that got me was the adjusting my TP and my stop loss in the actual interface. I remember MT4, I had to like put a line, I had to go in properties, copy the actual pricing off that line, and then go to my TP and modify it. That shit was so old school. God damn, that's dinosaur days to me. You still an MT4? Come on, we gotta get you on MT5 at least. It's like when TikTok first came out, I ain't wanna hear nothing about it, think nothing about it, because I remember Vine Vine was a thing, and I was still trying to get accustomed to Vine. And everybody's like, you should try TikTok, blah, 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 this and that. I'm just like, what the hell is this? And I'm still not like 100% on TikTok. You know what I'm saying? I even remember when Snapchat first came out. I remember when Instagram first came out. I ain't want to get into that. Y'all remember MySpace days? Anybody here remember the MySpace days when MySpace was a thing? Or y'all too young for that? Y'all might be too young for MySpace days. God damn. MSN days. Oh, you going that far back? You about to go far back as internet, when internet first came out. When Internet Explorer. Man, you know what's crazy, guys? I remember when MySpace, y'all remember Tom, he's the one that created MySpace. I remember when MySpace came out, and then I heard about Facebook at the time, and I was like, Facebook? That's so lame. Like, I remember I was in I don't know, man. I don't remember what grade I was in when I remember this, but I remember all me and my whole everyone around me was like, Facebook? What is a Facebook? We're not finna use Facebook. Now guess what? Facebook is like the #1 thing I use still. I love it. Yeah, Facebook was definitely for college parties at the time. I just remember back then I was just like, Facebook. I was using MySpace at that time. And then Facebook came on, and then Twitter. I remember when Twitter first boomed. I was definitely tapping into Twitter at that time. Snapchat came then. Instagram came. I was definitely trying to get into it. And then Vine. And then now we got TikTok. It's crazy how all of these different platforms just come out of nowhere. That's crazy, right? I only use Facebook now. MySpace completely dead. I only use Facebook. I barely use Twitter. As you guys see, I do have a Twitter account, but I barely be on there. But I mainly use Instagram, and Facebook is more personal though. Like, y'all can try me on Facebook, but I'm probably not gonna add you or accept the friend request because I like to keep it more personal. My Facebook is a lot more personal, but my Instagram definitely. And y'all remember when YouTube first came out? I remember YouTube, a lot of people was going to YouTube for dumb stuff like fights. I remember I used to go on YouTube to watch stupid stuff all the time. And I look at it, YouTube is, man, Soulja Boy times. I know, that was MySpace times with Soulja Boy. Like, damn, he blew up on MySpace and on YouTube when it first came out. He definitely took over the social media. You say you used to do HTML coding way before WordPress? Damn. I remember I tried to do HTML coding with some platform called, was it DreamWorks or Frameworks? It was like Fireworks, Frameworks, or DreamWorks. I can't remember. But I used to attempt to try to do coding. That didn't work out at all. MySpace sidekicks. I never had a sidekick phone. Come on, NASDAQ. I'm down. Look at that 30 though. It's moving. I'm waiting on NASDAQ to also move too. Let's see what it does in this next 15-minute candle. You said sidekicks. No, you wanna know what was the thing back in the day? The Razor phone and the BlackBerry phone. If you had a Razor phone or BlackBerry phone, press 1. I'm gonna press 2 ones because I had both. I remember a what? Damn, is it Motorola? Y'all gonna have to. I remember the flip phone, but y'all remember that flip phone? It was the flip phone that got me. I remember mine's like it was yesterday. I had the silver one. Stop playing, man. I'm that old. Some of y'all like, what is he talking about? Y'all, the ones that understand, y'all understand what's up, man. But I had one of those, and I remember my very first phone. I had a AT&T Palm Pilot phone. I still got the Palm Pilot phone. Oh, we hit TP2. Jeez, TP2 smashed on oil.
Knocking those down off the hinges.
Crashing the pond on the marble floor. Yeah, put up that sign I read love and joy. Yeah, I want more. Yeah, she want more.
All right, let's see.
She only will hit to a certain song. Her channel is orange, white flannel thong. Come tag along, come tag along. Crash, love lost, and a man look left, tiptoe to the fan. Scream, bitch, take off in the jam. Skid out, crash now. Got a chance. 15 on a nigga, blue man. Brain dance with a finger on the trigger. 8 chance to be playing on the bill. Same.
Oh shit, TP3 smash.
Black minutes with a 4-5 patch, leather with a gold chain rack. Tempted by my own black ass, won't catch her with an all gold mask, but she ain't with running away. Opposite.
All right, that's dope. All TP smash. I like it.
Give him signs to play a fool, cause she is the queen. She kinda got the methods of reach. Follow her lead, live in the system to dye your head green. Part of my ease, by you relief. Fish out of water, I'm dying slowly. I guess I will kick it when summer is eve. No dirt, no more sweat, I be treading like me. You gotta be patient so you can mind me. Peace.
Now let's see if NASDAQ can get us some setups. Question: who missed the T9 having the buttons memorized so you didn't even have to look? Dang, I don't know what you're talking about. T9, what's that? Hanging up. Yo, I remember there was this skit I seen on TikTok when they had the flip phones. How dude was like, he just instantly like, just flipped it off on him. Like, I remember them days, man. That was the day. You was able to flip it on. Oh, hello, what's up? If you want to end that call quick, all you gotta do is, boom. I love them phones, man. I'm waiting on the closure of the candle to get before I get in NASDAQ. Yeah, I miss those phones, man. The Razors, and then I miss the like I said, I never had a sidekick. I always wanted one. Never was able to get one. And then I had the Razor phone. That was the coolest one, in the BlackBerry. I remember the BlackBerry was like the first phone where everything was all like how it is today. I feel like BlackBerry's definitely, you know, they changed the game. You said texting from the 1-9 keypad, each button multiple times. Yeah, that's what I had to do with the BlackBerry phone. I remember that. Okay, I do that with the BlackBerry phone. I remember there was like three letters and one button. I had to damn, run on them days. That's crazy, y'all. And I can't have my target want me locked behind these bars or in a spot that I can conquer. But fuck it, cause we live in my nigga. And I'm addicted to feeling like I'm invincible. Take the bag, then I triple it. The flow been on the pinnacle. Vivid dreams of a miracle. Where I made it out of bind lately. I'm so out of mind. It's hard to wanna go outside cause they been killing off my kind. But I gotta hold my head and keep it loyal to the players. Don't let them rob you of protection of yourself. Niggas lying for a check. I call it bribing for the flex. To the label, drop your ass to bank, collect on your advance. Tread more lightly cause the man don't give a fuck about your plan to see the world and feed your fam. The block is hot, it's hard to stand. I'm from the cold, when he talks, but on the low, they got the stove. Somehow the baby still ain't eating, though they crab stuck in a bucket, trying to make it out the street shit. How we make it where we at, but trace the bloodline back to Eden. I'm a menace, a remnant of the pandemic. Got the mask off, I'm flap jaw, taking no L's. I'm at the coattails to the cash cars. Yeah, right. I'm taking no L's. I'm on the coattails to the cash cars. NASDAQ is moving really, it's still moving fishy, y'all.
I dropped the ball in my lesson. I dropped the class with the schedule. I can't afford to be bored, but a couple of bros me through the school with degrees. Can't let an interview, they pay more than a minimum wage. They pull up suited, but they talking about them dreads on their head. And it be their resume, they can't say their name. That shit is shame. A system got it easier. They claim she need to relax. Got a couple kids, a single mom, they laid her out back in March. She lost her crib, they sent the SWAT to throw her back to the street. Now they freeze and rent the stimulus, won't even see her.
I remember texting was a joke when it first showed up on my commercial. Like, who wants to be trying to type old messages when you just can call? Damn, man. Yeah, that's true. I honestly don't even remember the time when texting started. As y'all see the reversal, this is why I say you gotta wait on these closures of these candles, man, because you would never know. That shit reversed it quick. Oh damn, look at that wick. Market's not bad today. Typical. This is typical Thursday. Nothing special. Nah, if this candle be see, this is why I say, guys, closure of the candles. You gotta wait on those, man, because this can happen. I'm still biased for my upwards trend, but possibly we might just take these lows out. This. Sweep these lows, maybe tap into this area here, or it could just be going down. That too, you know. I wish I could drop a picture here. I was waiting on the NAS buy, but the fibs on NAS and it was hit, and it's hitting TP1 right now. TP1 going down. I was a sell all along. Oh, it was a sell all along. Oh, you saying you was in a sell at first? That was our pullback. Yeah, seemed like it. But now I don't know, man. Don't. I want to say don't speak too soon. I'm still looking for the buy. If anything, I see consolidation going on right now. I had a pager too. Yeah, see them King. I ain't had that at the time. I don't even think I was old enough to even have a pager. I mean, I was born at the time, pretty sure, but nah, I never had the pager. Early 2000s was my year of memorizing stuff consciously. Okay, 86, yeah, nah, I wasn't born on 86, but remembering, for sure though, like early 2000s was definitely my year of understanding the world a bit, or understanding what's going on. I damn near blew your account. My stops got blown past. My broker didn't close. The 1%, that's what it be doing. Hey, what year were you guys born? I'm curious to know, what year were y'all born in? So we got 80s babies in here. We got any 90s babies? We got any 90s babies in here? '91, '92, '93, '98, '99, '05, '98, '94, '90, '93, 2004. Jacob, you was born in 2004? I didn't even know that. 2003, 2001, 85, 89. Damn, I'm old. Wait, what year were you born? You didn't put what year you was born, or did you? Let me see. Oh, 87, you did. 87, 89, 85. You got a couple people. You got 65 in here. 65, 93, 02. We got two 65s in here. Dope. 93, 02, 04. Makes you 04. Y'all, I didn't know y'all were that young. 89. But y'all see everyone here that put every year that it was born, like, it's just different. Like, that's dope. The fact that we got people born in 2004, 2003, 2001, 65, going up to, like I said, 85, 89, like, very diverse, very diverse. 89 or 98, very diverse. 2005. I want to know where's my I think he was 12 years old or 13 years old. He's got to be born in like what, 2011, 2012, 71, 89, 2000. All future millionaires. We are future millionaires. Yeah. Baby, you don't need no friend for this evening. Believe me, you better all ride with me. Slide to the loo in my leisure, but still had to cop me. Hell yeah, definitely. Definitely. We are future millionaires. I don't care how old, how young y'all are. We all gonna get this bag, man. That's the goal here. Obviously, we trying to make it, right? For our kids, for ourselves, for our family, for our overall generation. We trying to create wealth. That's the goal. We do not stop the grind. As long as we still walking this earth, we gonna keep doing what we do. Yeah, for our community, for our family, for our peoples, for ourselves. Watch how you treating the one at the bottom tomorrow. He might just be gonna connect. I know that well what I know. I can't speak what I don't. I don't stress how you feel. So I'm gonna do what I where y'all from? Where y'all located at? Where? Texas, Houston. Oh, okay. Detroit. Hey, shout out to Detroit. That's where I'm born. I'm born in Detroit, Illinois. Where in Illinois, Jacob? Miami, South Africa, Dallas, Germany, Romania, Sweden. Are you in Sweden? Are you in Aurora? Are you down this? Man, my spot is in Buffalo Grove. Jacob, I'm actually going to get you in Chicago. If anybody here is in the Chicagoland area, hit me up on Discord. Jacob, I already got you now that I know this. I'm going to get you in my podcast, brother. Okay, if you could drive too, I'll get you in the podcast as well. Nashville, Lagos, Bronx, Detroit. Let's go. Shout out to anybody in Detroit and Chicago. I just had to throw them two out there. Obviously, that's, some of like my hometowns right there. Shout out to anybody in Houston, really Dallas. I actually do plan on moving to Dallas next year. I just signed my lease again. They fucking up my rent $100. I was going to move. I actually visit Houston twice and Dallas once. I do plan on moving to Texas after this lease is over with. I'm actually also looking at Arizona as well. Arizona is like my second home. My cousin's out there. I'm always out there. But I like Arizona. It's very peaceful, very calm, collective. I'm just thinking about opportunities. I was even considering Miami, but don't know. Miami wouldn't really be a home for me. It would be like a vacation home. So depending on how trading goes for me next year too, I might be able to get me a little condo in Miami, still be here and be back and forth. Or Houston, like I said, not Houston. I keep saying Houston. I don't want to move to Houston. I want to move to Dallas. It's either Dallas or not. And Texas would just be Dallas. It's better opportunities. I've been in Houston twice. I didn't really like the vibes. I love Dallas vibes. Like, if y'all didn't know, I'm all about, like, I don't like being around busy stuff. I like to be in a exclusive, like a area that's really consolidated as far as just like, it's slow pace, but it's still great opportunity. Can't move to Atlanta. It's too much out there for me. But I just like Dallas, how slow it was. It wasn't too fast paced or anything like that. I was even considering moving downtown Chicago. I just can't do it right now. I don't know. I'm just tired of Midwest right now. That's basically all it is. So, yeah, I was going to move this year. My lease ends in September. I was going to move this year, but y'all know I had got my warehouse. I got a warehouse now where I invested into like a content creation space for like people, any entrepreneurs, right? And I just want to get that fully done first. I want to get that going. So, you know, I'm going to be another year here. And then once I have that up going, I kind of just want to be like, boom. You know, so everybody's going to Puerto Rico too. I'm hearing about Puerto Rico as well, but it's not in my intentions right now. Maybe later down the road. Go against us, I highly doubt it. All of my bros, we got it. They know for sure, we got it. Been on the road, we got it. We cannot go without it. Mess with the squad, you try to. Go against us, I highly doubt it. Been on the road. Sometimes I be regretting my investment of my space I brought, because I was like, man, I should have just brought a fucking. Somebody said they in Waukegan. Stop playing. You not in Waukegan. I actually went to Zion Benton. That's the high school I went to. So if you in Waukegan, we're gonna have to tap in. If you in Waukegan, Bank able, hit me up on Instagram. But anyway, like I was saying, sometimes I be regretting my investment that I made, because it's like I could have brought me a car or something else. You know what I'm saying? But then I think about it. I'm all about long-term, guys, and not even now. I'm like, the way that I like to be is like I really be thinking about generational wealth. And, you know, I got a kid, too, so it's different. I'm not going to lie, if I probably didn't have a kid, I probably would be doing way more wilding out than what I do now. Well, I really don't wild out, but I probably would be wilding out, honestly. But, you know what I'm saying? I'm at this age now where it's like, yo, I really want to get this going. You know what I'm saying? I can still move. I'm still young. I'm still able to go about doing what I want to do. Matter of fact, y'all, I'm going to introduce my kid right now. Come here, E. I got my boy right here right now. So, you know, that being said, like I really be thinking about this little dude right here all the time. This is my protege. You just walked up? You just got up? Okay. Yeah, this is my young protege. So I really be thinking about him all the time. You know what I'm saying? So things that I do, I try to make sure I do it accordingly. But yeah. So I'll be with you in a bit. E. That was perfect timing too. I don't know if he was waiting out the door for me, but that was perfect timing. That's funny. It's funny. I took him to the doctor. The doctor was like, "Yo, he has his weight and his height is billed as a 7-year-old, and he's only 4." And I was just like, damn, really? I don't know where his height coming from, because I'm short. It's definitely coming from his mom. I mean, his mom is taller than me, so it makes sense. So, yo, what's going on? How you doing? What's up, bro? Ooh, shout out to Mike with showing the profits of Trade Locker. My boy, you made 100 and what? 212. All of them trades is oil too. That's crazy. What's goody, Charting? Just chatting it up right now. I want this NASDAQ trade so bad, guys.
flip it and continue. I've been going dumb, I've been going mental. Going up, I'm on another level. All black clothes like a metal. Little this and this, little Rick and Rick. It's my grandmama.
What do you think oil is going to? I don't know. That's the problem. I can't figure out oil, but I can figure out NASDAQ. Yo, what's going on with this?
We the top 10, UGK the major, way not play it, don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock near. Hands on road, we doing digi to the whole block clear. Yo, what you got there? Oh, did you not hear? And he's taking over and we got the whole shop, yeah. Hershey
Analyzing GJ. I looked at GJ, man. It's not doing nothing. It's literally consolidating up and down this whole time. Which sucks. It was doing the same as yesterday. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. NASDAQ, I'm a little disappointed in it right now because we should be moving. Are we not? But it's cool though. It's cool though. Guys, I'm about to I'll be right back. Let me put this capitalized. I need all you guys to like up the video while I be right back. Be right back, y'all.
But I am not here. Watch out for the company you keep, cause people mad with. I will pull up on you and address it. I am not scared. We just looking down on these from the top stairs. We've been dropping back to back to back, but it don't stop here. People love to tell me their opinion. I do not care. Way that we keep bodying these tracks, man, it is not fair. Way that God keep blessing me, protected by my mom's prayers. In my own bubble like a Montclair. Count the money, making sure it's all there. Designer in my closet and it's all rare. Every year it's all yeah. Nation boy like top flare. UGK the major, way not play it, it don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock near. Hands on road, we doing digi to the whole block clear. Yo, what you got there? Oh, did you not hear? And he's taking over and we got the whole shop, yeah. Hershey wanna know me better, but I'm on the top 10. Gotta match my energy, you see I'm in the top, yeah. Yeah, it's top 10. Hey, hey.
Rebel soul child got a fist balled. I'm a respawn of ancestors and I'm blessed, They are not him, tell him fess up. I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless. Yeah, I got next up, right? No, we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris, you likely to talk but not ready to ride. You do better keeping it quiet. My pen is ignited, my soul is enlightened. I like who I am, but I'm biased. They palette is right, and my drip is a fountain. I'm not like these regular guys. All of that talk is misguided. She like the way I make the tape print, but the way I make the words play is grim. I'm the reaper reaching for the kill switch. The label cut the check like the blazeman. Something sparking where his brain is. The beat is somewhere where they prayers in. Geronimo, the way I make the bass jump when no parachute is tasteless. They likely to run their mouth, but when they see you face to face, they quick with the shape shift. Up through the night, work the grave shift. Batted from the cradle to the grave, bitch. Big mad how they face tense. Look both ways for you catch fade. I'm a nice guy on the inside, still I'm not somebody to be played with. Keep it all the way 1,000. I don't remember how the ground feels. I left the city, I've been browsing. Treading water that they drowned in. My head on the swivel, yeah. It's only really my surroundings. They keep it all the way Wait, I be hella wild, but you can't tame me. Got the keys to the cradle with no cable. Smelling like basil. Yeah, I got the flavor. I ain't got no patience. Kept it with a savor. I be on their nerve, but that shit painful. Looking sour when I serve, how that shit tasted. Show a conversation. Give them waves to they make the flotation. It's outrageous. Righteous with the sound, but a finger raising to the whole nation. Yelling out fuck 12 till they throw me in the cell. But a nigga make bail for the young and rebellious generation. Keep it all the way 1,000. I don't remember how the ground feels. I left the city, I've been browsing. Treading water that they drowned in. My head on the swivel, yeah. It's only really my surroundings. They keep it all the way 1,000. I don't remember how the ground feels. I left the city, I've been
All right, guys, I am big.
my head on the swivel, yeah. It's only really my surroundings.
So you talking about NASDAQ, guys? To be honest with you, don't know what's going on with NASDAQ. We ain't moving right now. We're just, like I said, I think we're in this consolidation bubble. But I do see that this area is a target of interest, right? Meaning order block to some of y'all. Y'all can see it as supply, whatever y'all see it as. Regardless, I do see that we are going up. We broke structure here, right? We broke structure here, so we are going up. I'm just trying to confirm that we're ready to go up with the price. Basically, just waiting on price to give me that answer. 30 is doing good. I didn't know what 30 would actually would be heading at, but seeing that we could be going here, that's pretty much really what it is. Yes, we did take an oil trade today, which was this one right here. Hit all TPs beautifully, so yeah, can't get mad at that.
Back then I used to drive off Mason. Those cops not used to the faces. We got they would run my plates and we stopped, but I just left work while I restocked, but they see my whip and they see
So a few years I was thinking doing this, we trying,
steam like a teapot, better do what he say or you get shot.
Good work.
See you like red must be a power rule. If you went to work, why bring the crew? What you think black folks don't carpool? Better would have been a crib if my shirt turned blue. Keep your hands on the wheel, sir. 10 and 2. I stopped this car cause you tint too dark. You know that's a lie. That ain't true. It's cause I swear.
Yeah, see, it's just down right now. It's just dropping and dropping and dropping.
I used to think that it would change when I got rich. When my house would need a 40-acre fence. But having money only really made it worse. Especially for the one who cracks the whip. Rich folks still don't get passes. New stats don't change your status. Old wounds don't seem less callous. Cause we still condone this madness. This routine stop in traffic just needs to stop and vanish. When those folks left that office, I thought we stopped that practice. But they still like, ooh, who are you? That's a nice car, sir. What do you do? What do you sell? What are you paying? What hood you from, nigga? Who is your crew? What you think black folks can't be rich? Hands on the wheel, 10 and 2. I stopped this car cause you tint too dark. You know that's a lie. That ain't true. It's cause I swear. Really ain't got no passing rights, really none into the afterlife. A green card then in the black card, but the Amex only give a nigga bragging rights. And we still don't travel as a team no more, cause we can't get our baggage right. And the structure in which our face gets structured make us seem more savage, like we curse like Cain. And it hurt like pain. No, it hurt like Wayne when he was hurt by Bane. And they heard my screams, but they ignored my tears and it felt
Hold on,
like
let me
hell.
see something.
And it looked like rain when they passed those laws, but it still ain't changed. I still look the same, especially when I swear.
Let's see, let's do this. I need that. I don't know why this thing taking forever. You said you sent me a Discord. I sent you a Discord DM if you could check it out. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Look at this. This is playing games, bro. This is crazy. You said you blew my account to $20. Is it too late for me? Man, honestly, bro, I see so much crazy stuff in the trading world that I think you're fine, bro. How much money did you have in there initially? It's just a mental thing at that point. But yeah, I'm curious to know how much money. By the way, let's see. Double tap with 15 minute. I think now I'll go up. Yeah, this might be it because of the wicks. No, I'm looking at all these wicks right here. We got this wick. We just closed it with this candle right here. We got wicks up here. That's been closed too already. So, are you only started with 125, man? I think you're good. It's up to you if you can handle the mental.
Came up out the womb of man with everything that you demand. You could say I had a plan way before I had a fan. Some would probably call it luck, I just call it being blessed. You ain't never did the work, but you wanna be the best. Lately I could never stress, never better yet. Might have had a thing for you, she know I'm the better bet. I digress, I let it rest, go and get another check. I could always see my future, I bet they could never guess. Guessing they get it, cause look at me now and then look at yourself in the mirror. I know they doubted my thesis, but they doubted Jesus, and right now I'm making it clear. Clearly these people don't know where they going, and lately I feel like the man with the map. I got this shit out the mud, you could give me the word and I'll probably give it right back. Back of the bus I was scraping the change, back in my head I was living a life. Back in my job I was losing the focus and trying to find ways to get back to the mic.
So I got blown past, never seen like that before.
I know the truth universal, so don't let me tell you, I know that a lot of you know.
You know it's crazy, we all have blown accounts before. So don't feel neglected that your account is down to 20 off of 125. Sheesh, I done worse. For real.
Came about the womb of giant. You were licking, you were client. Now you got so much to say. I was hurting, you was quiet. Glory is as glory does. So you know the story, love.
What do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer to trade a personal account or a funded account?
Spiritually, I never aged. Feeling like 11th grade. Junior me, proud of me.
I prefer personal or funded.
Doing things I never do. If I was living cowardly. Sushi roll sour D. Song 3, hour 3. I don't even go to sleep. Know the Lord empower me. Wake them up, they sound asleep. They gon' hear the
You said personal because I don't get funded. Personal, we got one that says funded. Ain't no way we got more personal funded. Damn, I'm surprised actually. Thought we had more of that. Well, if you guys are interested in signing up with a funded account, definitely tap into Funder Pro. You do get 20% off if you use my code. And every time you literally, if you use this link, actually, every time you sign up, you always get the 20% off. But guys, give me one quick second. Actually, gotta check this food. I'll be right back. By the way, I'm waiting on a buy possibly for NASDAQ. But yeah, I'll be right back.
Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I cop that crib for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows until the flight leaves. They wanna ride my ties, but they ain't even ride or die, please. But I've been short on time and in the prime of my prime easy. I said I never changed and leveled up, I guess I lied, yeah. Off that strain of potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah. Mix that with that potion just to feel like I'm that guy, yeah. So know the one you talking to, you way outside your line, yeah. Go against the tribe, you lose your... Let me not even say this shit. I just ran out of my patience. I just got tired of waiting and got here myself. Niggas want me to believe in the dream that they see for themselves and still doubt in themselves. They might as well light up the L. High top on 10 toe, drip retro. Talking major plays, hella high tech through the getro. Pin game, pin petrol. Just set it in the flesh hole. Send a text mail to give a wet clothes. On the vapor wave to make a drip drip with the left lobe in the left stroke. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Flex up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a bag. Flex up. I need a check, yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Ayy, come from the pit, I'm out of the trench, my nigga, we look at the dread, my nigga, we ran shit all on my way. I never let them play me, but they claiming that they know my songs. I tell them quote the lines until I'm goated, bitch, I'm going off. Loyal to my soil and the culture, I'm that chosen one. I just got a bag, she wanna fuck, I think she know I'm star. I can't do no wrong, look in her eyes, she wouldn't know I'm scarred. They try to justify me going up like they don't know he raw. Off of that doja, fuck what they told you, I'm never sober. Gripping the split for the chip on my shoulder, trying to decode this. They label me thug, I keep it a buck, I don't give a fuck about it. Out of the mud, it's showing me love, my nigga, what's up? Out of my way, bitch, I need the paper. Fuck what you want, I mean, I know later. I keep it short with the conversation. Out of my lane, look who got a brain in the cockpit with no hands on it. I've been the man with the plan, homie. Flip that to the man with the bands on me and a passport with the stamps on it. Yeah. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a bag. Flex up. I need a check, yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love.
Call me Bucky, niggas lucky that I'm innocent. If I didn't have no morals, I'd be menacing. How a nigga rapping conscious but he ignorant? How he from the hood but still gon' go legitimate? How he fuck a bunch of bitches but they still respect the women? He still rolling in Sonata, he just got the window tinted. Homie stab me in the back and that can never be forgiven. And my palms been itching, man, I like the superstition. You can't have my phone number unless we running up the digits. Let me meditate, I just need a couple minutes. Tryna low ball me, my cojones to the big ass. Bitch, I get high. I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like Brian. Yeah, I'm headed to the Bucks, then I'm ballin' like I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like Brian.
I'm back.
Bitch, I get, bitch, I get, bitch, I get. Let me meditate, then I celebrate. Tryna get the cake, I don't take a break. Yeah, bitch, wait. Grew up in the 90s, we was watching Ricky Lake. We was eating top ramen, no TV dinner plate. Made that couple dollars, so I probably get the steak. Go on,
Jacob, man, they've been telling me the same thing they've been telling everyone else too. Literally. I thought we would have been moving already. Golly, we still ain't moving.
Yeah, I'm headed to the Bucks, then I'm ballin' like yeah. I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like bruh. Bitch, I get, bitch, I get, bitch, I get hot.
Go hard, or go home. Go home. Go hard, go hard, or go home. Go hard, go hard, or go home. Go home. Go hard, go hard, or go home. Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, or go home. Go hard, or go home. Yeah, these championship rings on my hands now.
All right, cool.
In my head, I'm top 10, yeah, that's hands down. You a squad, now you're looking man down. Funny how foes turn to friends now.
Demons, why y'all talking about demons for?
Treat the business like a playground, might slide on you.
I'm trading NASDAQ differently than I got into NASDAQ again because I wanted to tap into it differently. I want to understand it differently. You said this area right here stresses me out. Oh, sheesh. Oil, bro, you not trading? Man, we already made our money with oil. Yeah, guys, I think just NASDAQ is just going to go down at this point, man. I'm going to just leave NASDAQ alone because there's nothing going on with it. There's pros and cons. Pro and con is the pro is you can focus and master that and only know exactly when that moves and how that moves, so your win rate can be beautiful, right? But the con would be you're not gonna always get your setup every day. So let's just say depending on whatever asset pair you trade. So let's say you trade a pair that moves but doesn't do too much movement. You only might be able to get one opportunity out the entire week. That's the con I would say. But that's why I like to focus on commodities or indices because they are very volatile, like oil or NASDAQ. I mean, GJ too. It's moving now too, but even gold as well, guys. Because you can most likely always get an opportunity, but you know, you're not gonna always get opportunities every single day. Right, you made $900 off oil, right? That's what I'm saying. Like, that's perfectly fine.
Get chipped like staccatos in a wave through the hood. Now sounding like vibrato. Why you eat bread with avocado? We be trying to die shells before it landing our tomato. Singing all my sorrows on Apollo. I've been trying to pave the way, but they didn't tell me it was potholes. America ain't dreaming, they been scheming when the birth of a nation came from black. We all know it's black. Genius, everybody love the culture, they be black by convenience.
Hold on, my killer. You talking way too much conscience. Speak about some girls or some money or some diamonds or something. I'm not telling you to rap, not to rap how you rap, but make something we can vibe to.
Sounding like a real anthem. Shawty saw my wallet, now she think I answer. Whoa, telling me she wanted me to hammer. Trying to get saved, baby, I am not the answer. No, I can never trick. Unless the bitch is my bitch with a kiss on my lips like, I am not a pimp with a limp. I'm a man with a gift and I'm doing my shit like, Tell them other niggas I'm the nip. I'm the man in the city, and my bank account bigger, and my body count bigger. That's without a doubt. I'm 100 steps ahead. That's a lot of mouth. That's a lot of clout. What you all about? What your dollar amount? You a boy scout. I'm a big dog. Tell the truth, I don't get charged.
Yeah, we're going down, man.
Turn this shit off, bro. I can't rap how everybody else rap, bro. Everybody talking about cars, clothes, chains, and money. That shit corny as fuck, bro.
You said next FVG.
Oh, God, I don't want to rap about that corny ass shit.
Been depressed for 170 years. Before I was born in this tournament, thrown in a hospital bed. Born on this firmament, turning into what I gotta to be who I said. Used to make flow. Been in a bus, in a plane, in a boat. I put a touch of my pain in my notes. Clutch the remains of the rope. Either I learn how to cope with it, or I turn into a ghost living. Some people turn into IG posts, some of us turn into quotes written. 13, I was on smoke.
Yeah, I was vibing to that music. That was fire. I don't even know what that was. That was fire.
I just learned how to walk. I just trip going backwards. I should have been dead by now, living on a boat chapter. 8 years, where they all go? Yo, Gabe, when you gon' blow? 10 vids and I'm on 16.
I even shared a link.
I'm just going to the store, like I'm going to the morgue. Pull up to the counter, fill the bag, and the clerk asks from shore. I'm just going to the store. I'm just gonna get more. 1, 2 is like 3 and 4. Love you is like we at war. R.I.P. to my OG. Been in this OG.
And you know one other thing too, I was telling you guys. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you guys. I think I said this in my last stream that on Sunday with oil once again, it was another sale. I be saying this all the time. Like, if you guys just focus on just selling oil on Sunday, you will literally be profitable as fuck. Like, but that's so hard for a lot of us to do, right? I got a whole account where I'm doing that though. Just selling it. I'm gonna give you guys results in like a month. Give me like a month. Give me like 4 Sundays. I'll let you know what my results were. But yeah, I do have one account where I'm just only taking sales on oil on just Sundays. I just want to see something, because if this really works, I'm serious, y'all. Y'all only gonna see me trade on Sundays at this point. But I might still be obviously tapping into some other things, but just because the account's showing me so much, you know, if the account, whatever the account shows me, then boom. What do you wait for trades all day, or do you have a specific time you look for trades? I used to, man, that's crazy. I used to wait for trades all day, but I only trade from 7 a.m. all the way up until about 2 o'clock. And then I don't trade after that. I don't trade. I used to do Asian sessions. I might sometimes pop in there, but I no longer do none of that. I literally only trade from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. every day now. I don't do London, none of that. Just straight New York. And if I don't see another setup at the time, then I don't take a trade. I just leave the whole charts alone. I do other things and live my life.
Back to back to back. Like the neighborhood warriors.
So I've been making around, $1,500 on Sunday sales and only trading with 15% of my margin. See, that's my point, bro. Like, you literally just said it right there. You making $1,500 every Sunday, doing 50%. Now imagine your account grows and grows and grows, and you doing 15% on like 100K personal account. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on now. You damn near making them 15 G's. You damn near making 15 G's in a just one day, and that's all you need. I want to show you guys something. So we have this calculator here. Unfortunately, it's not working at the moment, but I wanted to show you guys something else on here, which is our compounding risk calculator. So right here, let's say that you had let's be realistic. Let's say you have a $500 account and you do what Solo likes to do, risk 15% overall. But this got to be meaning overall. Like, if you do one trade, you got to do 15% overall, right? You don't have to do that. I know that's high to a lot of traders, but let's just say theoretically you traded just every Sunday, right? So for those that don't know, we have all straight wins for 6 straight Sundays. Don't get me wrong, it's not going to be like that obviously every time, but the win rate will be very high. So what I'm about to show you guys is just an idea of numbers. If you guys want to come and use this calculator, you can come here and you can use this calculator just to get a general idea. But let's say you risk 15%. Your first trading day, you make $75 off of oil trade if you were to trade it. Let's say you keep doing this every Sunday, right? One Sunday, second Sunday, third Sunday. So let's say this was all in 1 month. Let's say 1 month you had a successful run. Your account will be all the way up to $874, right? Now let's say you continue to do this, continue to do this, continue to do this, continue to do this. Your account could grow to $10,000 if you just stay consistent with only risking 15%. Now this is just showing you obviously every day is a winning day, or every time you trade will be a winning day. Obviously that's not true, but I'm just showing you guys the numbers because this shit is possible. It's the only thing that will literally affect you is just your mental. So let's just be a little bit more dramatic with our stuff. So let's say we got 5,000. Usually 5,000 is what I like to trade on a personal account. So let's say we're doing 15%, right? My first trade, I'm winning 750, right? So let's say that this is we got 4 Sundays in a month. So my account went from 5 grand and 8 grand just trading on Sundays. Now let's say that the next month, second month, we got 4. My account is now at 15 bands. Let's say 3 months in, there's only trading Sundays. Now my account is at 26 grand. So what I'm getting at is your account can grow, guys. Your account can grow. But at the end of the day, it's all mental. 15% overall, not just one trade, overall. I mean overall. I usually risk 15% overall. But let's dumb it down. Not dumb it down, but let's drop it down. Let's do $1,000. And let's say you're trading a funded account, which I do, and I'm only risking 2%. You know, $1,000. Well, I'm doing $1,000. Hold on, sorry. Let's say 100K account. That's typically what I like to do. So just 2%, guys. If you guys stick to just 2%, just 2%. Look what your numbers can do. You could do 2,000, obviously, but let's look at the new balance here. Now, I know a lot of you guys don't like to take money out and withdraw money once you grow your account, and that's real facts. We grow our accounts. We tell ourselves, yeah, I'm gonna take money out once I hit $10,000. The moment you hit $10,000, you're like, you know what, I'm gonna grow more. But let's just say theoretically, you never took money out your account. You know, you can get to, I mean, guys, I watch YouTube videos of people taking $10 to $10,000 to $100 to $20,000 to $1,000 to $80,000. I've seen all this on YouTube, right? So, like, the nice thing about Forex and the reason why y'all probably got into it is there's no limitation towards what you can and cannot make in trading. Like, I've seen so many people did so much ridiculous numbers. Hell, y'all remember, if y'all didn't remember, I'm gonna share the video. I think I still got on here. I used to trade something called synthetic indices. And this was my best Forex flex in my history of trading. This is the best Forex flex I ever did. The first one was was the lucky year where I took a unemployment check into what was it, 25K, and blew it all. That was basically my life lesson in Forex. But I have this video right here where I literally took $1,300 into 40K trading something called synthetic indices. And this is synthetic indices, volatile. For those that know what it is, I used to trade this very faithfully, but this was, I think, one account. I had another account. Like, yeah, this was the other account, I think. But just watch the video when you guys get the chance. Basically, I took $1,300 and I made 40K in literally, really 4 days. 4 days. Now, I did withdraw money. I didn't withdraw all of it. I basically lost it all. I withdraw enough money. Obviously, what I put in, I withdraw more than what I put in, which was dope. But what I'm getting at is there is no limitation in trading at all. There's no limitation in trading at all. None. You could do whatever. You could set your limits to whatever. You could turn 100 into 200,000. I don't know. But the nice thing about trading is that, guys, You can set whatever you want. And I get asked all the times, can I turn $1,000 to $5,000? Like, yeah, you can. It's still mental. That's the hardest part in trading. So, yeah, I just want y'all to know, like, there's really no limitation. Y'all know this already. There's no limitation. No, I'm still waiting on this NASDAQ trade to move. I'm gonna be here all day. Had y'all ever had the perfect setup and y'all sat there for hours just to realize that setup never actually worked and played in your favor? I used to trade like that too, but now it's really hard to adjust to structure, because structure moves every second. You will have a perfect sell setup or a perfect buy setup. Let's just say right now how I got a perfect buy setup, right? This is my perfect buy setup. But let's just say that it's still dropping, and for whatever reason you're still waiting on that buy setup. That's what I meant by had that ever occurred to anybody? So yeah, it's crazy. You said what time do I sell on Sundays? It's not a specific time, brother. It's based off of whenever I get that candle to sell. But yeah, I've been saying this every stream, y'all, and I'm surprised a lot of y'all still ain't doing it. I mean, hell, I don't know if Neil in here. I got another guy named Neil. Every Sunday he send me his results in the chat, and he probably made like 3-4 bands in that day, one day. Here goes another Sunday right here. I took this one. This was another Sunday. 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 So damn, actually we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, like I said, I think I said it. We got 7 straight wins on just selling on Sundays. Like I said, the win rate on just selling on Sundays is very, 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 very high. This was a Sunday it was consolidating. This was a Sunday it went down. This was a Sunday it went down. Another Sunday went down. There was only one Sunday that consolidated that might have been an L. And I didn't record any of these. So from April, we had one winner, 2, 3, 1 L, 4, 5. That's an L. We're gonna count that as an L. 2 L's. I think I said 4 wins, right? 2 L's. 5. I think I said 5. God damn, I don't know. 5, 6, 7. So we had 8 W's and 2 L's. That's a good ass win rate. I would say that's a good win rate right there. So yeah, man, y'all need to open y'all eyes up, man. I've been saying this since April, and y'all still not trading on Sunday or Monday, depending on where you at. You listen to your subconscious, because every time it's like the little voice tells me what the market wants to do, and when I don't, it happens. That's exactly what I be saying. I always say that there's 2 biases that you gotta have in trading. You gotta have a physical and a mental. Your mental is your subconscious, and your physical is actually your chart markups. Like, you gotta make sure you have both of them aligned in order for you to know that this is the right trade.
I'm Goku, don't you think I'm tapping out? Guru told us where we headed, nothing. All just falling down, seeing the whole world ending. So we reaching for the clouds.
The sky is falling. Everybody's trying to grab the cloud. The sky is falling. Everybody's trying to grab.
When it tells you to get out, get out. Facts.
Everybody's trying to grab the
Too many times to count. Facts.
Everybody's trying to grab the cloud.
Trying to tell y'all, man. I like that. When it tells you get out, get out. I really like that. There's a lot of different quotes I need to put on my wall, so I can remind myself.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up.
You know how many times I got in a trade and I never had my stop loss set, and every time I see a market move down, I'm like, I know, and my subconscious is telling me to get up, but I'm like, nah, I'm gonna just hold it, and then it still drops, still drops, still drops. That's basically what NASDAQ is. Like, let's say you brought in right here, and you're like, my stop loss theoretically was there, but you're still trying to hold it. These are the trades that blow your account, that take all your money. I'm not saying NASDAQ is going to do that, but that's the concept that I'm getting at. Like I said, it depends on where you at in the world. It can be Monday. It can be really on MT5. It's gonna say it's a Monday. Like I said, it just depends. But right when the market opens, this is what I'm saying. Hey, new journal app you created. I looked up on your Instagram, but couldn't find it. Oh, it's called. I need everybody here to go ahead and follow Lockit Trade Instagram. But it's called LockitTrade.com.
Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
We're actually reconfiguring the whole entire back end too. So if you want to wait on that, Mike, I would say definitely wait on that. Because I think you actually have the Excel sheet now. So I'll probably just say wait on the modified version. Because this is really fucking cool.
Enough of the code switching. Been hitting my soul, been on the ropes. I'm ready to grow, so get to know me. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me. See the scroll on, want you to glow with me. Yeah, alright, okay. We get it. No contest. Wait, see it's gold on me. Surf, want you to glow with me. The world been dying, days is number, check the climate, I'm sick of it. They have brain scheme to get the riches.
To get that game from Oil Sundays. Thank you for sharing. Hey, no problem. If you in the community, you should know. Make sure y'all tap into the community, man. I need all y'all to join our community. Join the community. It's up top. Literally, it's up top.
It's not just for the show, but that you entertain. Anybody not for me is below me, blow me, you in the way. I live my dreams, I got it locked, the master keeping on me. Back in the field, running audibles with the team, everything I got out the mother told my
I'm new to Trade Locker, but I have used it for the week. Does spread hurt at all? It depends on the broker. If you tapped in with Ospreyfx, or if you tapped in with Thunder Pro, which is down there, that's based off the broker. Whatever they spread count is. Guys, let's wait. I'm gonna wait to see what this 7-minute candle does. Like, we've really been playing around in this area. This is my POI area, so I'm anxious to see if this is it. Hopefully this is it. I haven't felt it compared to MT4. In my eyes, anything is better than MT4. MT5 way better than MT4. But Trade Lockers, yeah, it's definitely gonna be. It's already better than MT4 for sure. I mean, the fact that it has the Trading View interface all in it makes it 20 times better than any MT4, 5. I don't know anything that's out right now, honestly. He said community is fire, actually has real traders and not a bunch of BS. I appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Thank you for that comment. And this candle is looking nice right now. Yeah, Trade Locker is new. Yeah.
You know you need to stop it. I live for more than attention. Might not be your trending topic. Put my worth in analytics. I admit that took a toll. I got addicted to scrolling. We know well that gets
Plus, Trade Locker have the chart match the actually broker price. Yes, Mike is right. See, this is why I like Trade Locker. Trade Locker is actually integrated with the broker. So whatever Trade Locker is showing you, which is powered by TradingView, whole interface. I'm gonna show you guys. This is the interface. Oh wait, here we go. So let's just say that I get in this trade right here. This is the whole interface. This is the interface. This is, you get everything you see here. And it's basically, it is TradingView. Like I said, it's an interface of TradingView, right? You take your trade there. Whatever price is on here is exactly what the price is. It's not like MT4, MT5 where you gotta, or TradingView where you gotta add 10 pips more or move 10 pips out because it's not right to your, no. So I can literally just stay on here. I don't even need TradingView. I'm only doing TradingView because they don't have the app version available yet on the computer. And I don't like being on a web version because there's a lot of other things that's you know, that I can't focus on. So the fact that I got the app, I can literally just press buy right now if I want to, move my stop loss on the interface, which is really cool, just like MT5, and boom. It has all the settings, all the indicators, and I'm good. So that's why I love the fact that I can trade with Trade Locker. Don't have to worry about this. Like literally right now the price is completely different from what I'm seeing on TradingView and Trade Locker. So yeah. She said it looks sexy. I look sexy. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm just playing. For some reason though, TradingView and Trade Locker don't seem to quite line up depending on what the. Yeah, like I said earlier, because let me say this one more time. So, guys, when you're using, guys, TradingView is just an interface. You still need a broker. Without the broker, TradingView wouldn't really be TradingView. So, as you see, when you go into here, when you put in the asset, you know that you see this on the right-hand side. These are different brokers. That's why when you select one, it's always different from another one, right? Like Pepperstone, you type in, you look at Pepperstone, then you go to Black Bull, and you realize the prices are different. That's because that's based off the broker. Each broker have their own liquidity. They call it liquidity service, right? So that's what I'm getting at with this right here, right? So TradingView, like I trade Ospreyfx. That would be cool if TradingView had Ospreyfx on here, but they don't. If they had Ospreyfx on here, I'll be able to select it and just go down here and just hit enter the trade, but I can't. But with TradingView, I'm able to do all that. You get what I'm saying? And the reason why I like Trade Locker is because they work with unregulated brokers. TradingView isn't working with unregulated brokers due to legal reasons, but Trade Locker has the ability to do that because at the end of the day, they're in a whole different country. They got different rules out there, and they can do that. So that's why I'm like. That's why I always say, guys, Trade Locker is basically for unregulated brokers, which 90% of us trade, you know, unregulated brokers because we don't have the capital to trade a regulated broker in the United States at least. And and the rules in the states of America is fucking ridiculous. It's like almost impossible for you to even make money for somebody that's small, right? Putting $500 into an account, $1,000 to account. Hell, if you put $10,000 to account, it's basically like a $100 account on an unregulated broker. And that's true facts because of the fact they got the margins is only 1 to 50. So yeah, that's what I'm getting at, guys. That's what I'm getting at.
I don't know a thing if you do not speak up in my own world. I don't try to girl, tell me what you want. Don't be trying to front like I ain't what you want. I ain't here to stun, let me take you out for lunch. I'ma get you drunk, yeah, feeling on your buns. Licks in the blunt, I got ash in my cup. All these girls showing up, but I don't give a fuck, cause you don't.
One thing I gotta add on here is the time. The timestamp.
You the one I want.
I really don't know how to do that on the app.
Show me why you wanna be a rider. And I'm feeling high, I can't deny it. She a bad joint named Maya. And when I seen her, man, she looked fire. She got me feeling higher than the sour. So I'm trying to feel how I feel inside her. I asked her what she doing, she like nada. So she just chillin', about to get up in the shower.
NASDAQ is moving, baby.
I just wanna live like a Kuna and Matata. I ain't got no time for no baby mama drama. All about my comments, my letters, no tomatoes. Niggas they got up in they wallet. Ain't no really telling if we let us see tomorrow. Get it on my own, I ain't really tryna bar. So I stay fly, gotta dress up in designer. Tell me what it is, what you want from me, what you want from me. Tell me what it is, don't tell me what it ain't. They try to throw salt, it just made the pressure raise. Going through a phase, gotta get myself out it. Don't talk about it, boy, they said you gotta be about it. So I be trying to face the world head on. Front seat riding, cruising down the meadows. Pedal to the meadow, cool breeze blowing down the windows. Calm trees, blowing trees, get that boy some headroom.
All right, cool. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to change mine. You said, cool, have taken another bag on oil. You took another bag? What, you sold it? Oh, you going crazy, mate. All right, yeah, guys, I'm in this one.
Can't I just die here on the beach with my fingers in the sand and the water at my feet? Can I just get some release? Yeah, everybody falls off the tippy of they tall talk. Don't come and talk to me. I ain't trying to see fear reflections in my rear view. Deflectors in my purview coming after me. Got some issues with my worldview. I iron out the kinks. I ain't trying to be king. Crowns ain't the way to bring love. Soft touch, hard hands lead to backwards endeavors. These mans really think they worth can be summed up in a measure. Singing, bitch, I'm better, I'm better, I'm better, I'm better. I get it. You gotta hold your shit up to a measure. Did that, been there, done now. Out and on the run now, but you just can't get away. Driving in the dead night, kinda how I sounds by headlight. Cranking up the Mac to Marco and treating it like medicine. On the coast out in Guadalajara, running from my problems, staring at the water.
This is NASDAQ.
On it, I ain't living honest.
15 minutes.
I've been acting a fucking problem. To clean up my act ASAP, but the water looking rocky.
Y'all keep saying liquidity phase on all of these. There's no liquidity phase on nothing. Oh, you talking about oil? Nah, I don't see it. I mean, if you're talking about this, I'm on a 15 minutes, so it's different. I do see that, yeah.
Wrote this in the kitchen of my mom's new house. This is me in best edition, but there's better coming out. I came out when I was 18 and my mom kicked me out. Now I'm sitting in the kitchen in a brand new house. Man, it's funny how it all pan out. Almost like the man upstairs got it all planned out. And I don't know if I believe that, but I know right now this is my moment, I'ma seize it, it won't all fall down. Letting go of the dark days I spend in my sneakers. Yeah, you can take them, try a mile if you want. Been a hard thing to find something that I could believe in, but with that water looking back, I think I got it. Life is not a problem. The problem what you make a life so solving. If you don't open doors, they bound to keep revolving. So bust through. Fuck all of everything they say. Trust you. That's the way you make it to the places you want to. If I died right now, I'd be at peace. Fingers digging in the sand, water sitting at my feet. If I'ma end here at the beach, think that'd be fine with me. Drive the coastline till there's no more sea to see. Pedal heavy on the gas, travel away until I pass my past and all of that shit left behind the glass. And whether it be full or empty, that's a choice. Put my ear out to the ocean, like the answer in his voice.
I don't know if this is gonna. I want to see what this is gonna do in the next candle.
Coming back to get you. You just stay here with your AT and be
sometimes it be like that. I wish it wouldn't be like that. But sometimes it, look.
Guys, hold on. Give me 1 quick second.
Life of a legend, just a day in the life. Might slide on ya, I ain't staying the night. I ain't pick cards, I'm just playing them right. Photo shoot tomorrow, they gon' pay for the flight. Amazing the height, I'm able to reach from just rapping. Get it all legit, my so trapping. Catch me in the lab, I'm the player with the game plan, and I stick to it. We are really not the same, man. Nothing make this change like the game can't end too deep. I'ma really be a name brand. I levitate, got you looking like a caveman, talking like you winning, doing only what a slave can. I'm getting money, so I'm knowing why they mad at me. Quarter ounce of literary magic in the glad baggy. Word to the plug, hope your baby stay fed. I'ma keep you living with a pocket full of dead. And I came up from the eyes they can't fathom. So I'ma need all my little coins, you can't have them. But I'll probably drop a couple blessings on the way out. Give a little, get a little, watch it come and play out. Royal getting royalties, I'm waiting on the payout. Loyal to the soil,
Alright,
but we
cool.
manifest the way out. Thank God for the love and the upcoming. I was blessed with the flows, got my cup running. Ain't no fear in the black man running. Think he trying us, my tribal going duck hunt. Cause it be like that. Sometimes it be like that. I wish it wouldn't be like that. But sometimes it be like that. I wish it wouldn't be like that.
We moving though.
We was 13 playing with a ratchet and some ratchet. Side of town with grow rapid, or we had to grow. On the need to know unless some had to know. Posing for the cameras like you try and get an action role. I beneficial, you ain't beneficial to me, boy. Country bunkin' boony boy, praying like a Sunni boy. Say they wanna make a difference, they ain't moving different, no. Passing with a handshake, that's a give and go. Lot of loud from my hood, they ain't living, no. Talking like he Jordan and ain't even Pippin, no. I hear it that you saying, but put your chest in it. I'm the best in it, won't answer to nothing less than it. I'm everything like your favorite rapper, but less timid, more organic and less rented. I'm blessed with it. I got the that can shift minds with 6 lines.
I know, right? It has actually. I just realized the time.
Flight to the future. I switched times, changed for the dollar. I bought a 40, you 6 dimes. Ghetto through the move to the burb side, sipping curbside. Now I'm making words ride. Better living, I see the from a bird's eye. Learn to do my talking with numbers, I know the words lie. Highly favored, you fabricated and fictitious. I'm light bearing, I flick switches for quick riches. My come get stitches, it hit different. He hit my line cause this chick missing, no pick flicking. I'm dictating, you riding it, licking, big and back, big flicking. No, my kicking. I said these, no, my kicking. Cause sometimes it be like that. I wish it didn't be like that. But sometimes it be like that. I wish it didn't be like that. But sometimes it be like that. I wish it didn't be like that. Cause sometimes it be like that.
Talking about ghosting.
Be like that.
Funny as hell.
Like that. It wouldn't.
We're doing a liquidity phase thing on oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that little level right there.
We took it, now what you call that? 30 hours, 5 songs, I'm a hit maker. With the God body, you a risk taker. I'm overseas, you a overtime.
If we never got an actual legit pullback.
I quit stressing, I'm living my best life now. I can't with these only my wife now. I lead a
Hey, y'all, I got another play. If I can get a pullback on oil, like right here, it's over with.
With my same from the Cisco days, I'm out in Cali with the grower making Frisco plays. I miss those days when it was actually fact dropping. Go and tell the world real is back popping. Rim still spinning as soon as the lag stopping. Then I rag top it just so I'm seeing the backdrop. Cause it be like that. Cause it be like that. Look, cause sometimes it be like that. I wish it didn't be like that. But sometimes it be like that. I wish it wouldn't be like that. But sometimes it be like that. I wish it didn't be like that. Cause sometimes it be like that. I wish it wouldn't be like that. It wouldn't be like that. It wouldn't.
I am thankful for all of the things that I am, and more importantly,
I don't know if it's gonna get that pulley. Yes, sir, indeed. Talking about just a little bit of retracement. This is the ugliest fucking movement I've seen in a minute. This is what gold used to do to me. I doubt I'm getting that pullback with oil. You said, sir, how to manage a $100 account? That's kind of tricky to say, but it's the same as managing any account. You just gotta have a playbook. Let me ask you, do you even have a playbook? Do you have rules? Do you have a strategy written down? Do you have any of that written down? If I was to ask you today and then ask you 2 months from now, would it still be the same exact play?
Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you.
He said that boy solo slow. Oh man, I wasn't even trying to flex. Come on now. You put me on spot. I didn't even mean to do all that.
No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you. Big flex, my swole up. Double cup and I'm pulled up. Niggas hating like hold up. What's the problem? I'm pulled up. Big flex, my swole up. Hard body, they fold up. Shorty say I done glowed up. Double text on my phone up. Fuck with your boy, I'm the man of the year. I'm not a fan of your peers. Serve him a fate, I'ma hand him the shears. He not the man he appears. Heart of a lion, I'm trampling fears. I love the man in the mirror. Cry me a river to stand in the tears. You better stand in the clear. I'm going crazy, niggas fugazi. How are they ever gon' fuck with a kid? Put it on, baby, it do not faze me. Boy, I do not give a fuck what you did. Eating that kitty, she stuck to my rib. How can I trust him? He fuck with the pigs. Bro got a Glock and a couple of C's. He think about splitting a couple of wigs. Shotty my DNA, all real nigga. Sweatsuit, all heel figure. And I ain't even gotta deal with you. If I ain't never split a bill with you, I got Hennessy and horchata. Baby girl wearing nada. Ass growing from a cider. Bad robe in his Prada. Fiji water by the cold glass. Granddaddy by the zip lock. Flex season, I'm road running. I'm staying all on my tip top. Young man with an old mind, so I ain't worried about slight shit. I be up till sunrise. I'm staying out on my night shift. I got a bottle of bourbon, a bundle of honeys. I'm jiggy, I'm flexing a bit. Figured I hit it and quit it. I'm busy. I ain't got the minutes for texting it, bitch. Came from the gutter with me and my brother. I'm moving my mother right out of the city. Bitch, I'm a star and they know I go hard, so I'm kissing them babies and signing them titties. Gold blinging like Chingo, rock star like Ringo. Checks coming in back to back. I'ma line them up.
You said, what's the proper way to do risk management? It's based off your account size. It's based off of your rules and all that.
Big flex, my swole up. Double cup and I'm pulled up. Niggas hating like hold up. What's the problem? I'm pulled up. Big flex, my swole up. Hard body, they fold up. Shorty say I done glowed up. Double text on my phone up. Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop. Shit ain't
All right, y'all need to stop coming at me, man. Talking about I never seen you on live this long. All right, bro, chill. Y'all going a little crazy right now.
no roof on my top and my babe see through.
Yeah, y'all ain't gotta come at me like that, bro. Chill.
Ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you.
So that button entry was, oh, that bottom entry. I'm like, button entry? What you talking about?
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun on safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't phase me. I'm going. I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical.
Hey, this is my song right here. I gotta turn it up.
Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down. I'm winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat a setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up in the vice grip.
He really wanted that. Right, I really, I really want that NASDAQ trade.
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake it. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't phase me. I'm going. I want a grill for the mouthpiece, so bright that it light on my face. Your shawty just call me a fave, cause she like my character traits. I never stop for a break.
Oh, by the way, guys, I got a entry point. I got an entry point set like right here for this oil if it gets to here. This is what I mean by you guys gotta have a setup, right? So let's say this setup never had happened. That means this trade ain't gonna never happen. That's what I mean by getting a clean setup. Helen, I don't know. We shall see. I'm a hit or miss sometimes right now. Trying to figure things out, man. Cause some of y'all be stressing me out. Y'all be asking me the same question I be saying every stream, and it be the same people. Y'all be asking me about gold, and I already be telling y'all I don't trade gold. Please stop asking me about it. I don't trade gold. Don't want to look at it. Don't care for it. Hey, I like that. You said you played Jordan Belfort and Shit Savage. I appreciate that, man. I got like 2 trade setups on this one. If I miss this one, I'm in this one. What song was that, by the way? That was pretty fire. Were you in oil? I've got an oil right here, but I'm looking for another setup with oil. Now, this thing I like about oil is I can trade in New York, London, and only New York session. And we're in a liquidity phase too, by the way. We took the highs out first right here. Now we got to take these lows out. It's building up more. I love when it does this, like builds up liquidity, because this is where it gets out all the little support resistance traders. Obviously, sometimes it works, right? It's got to. That's how they make their money, right? But I just don't get in it regardless. That's how I trade. I don't trade support resistance regardless. So, because I always look at that as a 50-50. You will never know. But all I see is $5 million, $10 million, $20 million sitting right here. I'm just giving out numbers. Don't mind me. But I'm just saying random numbers. But all I'm waiting for is to boop, 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 and then take all that money out. And then right here, it's going to get all the sellers out. Because now they're like, oh, sell, I'm a seller now. And then you got those coming in for the buy, and then boom. So right now, we're getting the buyers in. And then sellers going to take all the buyers out. And then people's going to start selling right here. And then they're going to take the sellers out and then buy. If that's not a whack-off play, I don't know what is, guys.
So far where I come from. I sit and wonder about the times that it made sense, but nowadays I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people come around to keep you stagnant, distraction. So you don't show them no compassion. We was really out here grinding, really rapping, stacking them Franklins, them Grants, and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never chased our passion. We probably would've never.
All right, guys. So this is what we're gonna do. I need everybody to tap into my Discord community pinned in the chat down below side. I don't know wherever you at on your phone, on your computer, iPad, tablets, TV. Make sure you tap into that. Funder Pro as well. Get the 20% off. And then Ospreyfx, guys. We tuning in. I'm gonna tune out. Possibly see you guys tomorrow. But I'm gonna go ahead and sign out, guys. Dope live stream. We did get the one winner. I'm looking at these two trades right now. And before I get out, let me post this in the VIP. Around 6'8" or 6'9", 8'4". But other than that, guys, I'm gonna sign out. I'll see y'all tomorrow, Monday. Everybody take care. Have a great day. Peace.
The rent spiral out of control just from all the bantering. When they accustomed to talking behind your back with all that chattering, I remove myself before I abuse myself. Talk about self-love, but you gotta do it yourself. And I won't act too good for no help. We all healing now. Said some things about me that ain't true. How you feeling now? Even at my lowest, they tried to find a way to bring me down. Big y'all up for years, ain't talking just the brand or the sound. I don't throw things around, I do it from the heart proud. Mama just wanna see her sunshine, removing them dark clouds.
Yeah. Self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Yeah, self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Love yourself.